everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do a pour over a jar or a vase. Here's what it looks like. It's a little vase. I got it at Dollar Tree yesterday. It could also be a candle holder. Small vase. I've got it setting on this just to keep it up off the canvas. Of course, I'm having a little trouble keeping it level because of all the glass weight. But anyway, we are ready to go. We are going to use Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint. We are going to use the colors aqua green, turquoise, haven't used that one yet, violet, sap green, metallic white, old gold, metallic silver, and phthalo blue. This is a 14 by 14 canvas, so we need 12.25 ounces using Mixed Media Girls calculations, which is area divided by 16 equals the number of ounces. So I've got two cups here, each of which hold 10 ounces. So we're going to do more than half of each cup and then pour. Maybe we'll do a kiss pour, I'm not sure. That sounds good. Let's do that. All right, so I'm just going to start layering my cups. And I'm going to cycle through these in no particular order. Let's see how we're doing here. A little bit more in this. All right, let's get our paints out of the way. Alrighty, kiss pour, hopefully. All right, we're gonna let that drip for a little bit. It is so pretty to watch. And now we tilt. I don't want to lose any of it, dang. Oh, look at those metallics. Wow. I'm going to swim. Stop there, I think. Oh boy, is that beautiful. Say it with me, folks. Ooh. Okay. Because this is Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint, I don't think we're going to get a whole lot of development, but I will torch because I see a couple bubbles. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's go in for our close-up. Here is our jar, looking very, very beautiful. It will continue to drip. Another side of the jar. I like the marbling there of the green through the purple. That's very, very pretty. Here is the lower left corner. Along the bottom. Those scallops and those lines. I was really hoping that the bottom scalloped edge of the jar would create some sort of really cool pattern, and I got what I was wishing for, hoping for. Up the right side, upper right corner, along the top. And then in the middle, isn't that beautiful? Now, if I try and tinker with it, I'll mess it up. I was thinking I could do something with that mess in the middle there. A drip going awry sort of thing from when I picked the jar up. But I'm kind of liking it nonetheless, so I'm going to leave it alone because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.